Now that you've created a chart, you can modify and format it. When you want to modify a chart, you can add or remove certain chart elements or change your chart type. Formatting, on the other hand, means changing what your chart looks like. You can apply a variety of formatting techniques to change or add elements such as colors, layout, or style. Excel also allows you to add chart elements such as chart titles, legends, and data labels to make your chart easier to read. The number of chart elements in your chart depends on the chart type that you have chosen. In this example, there are 6 elements displayed on your chart. At the top of the chart, you find the chart's title. Next, you have the chart's grid lines. These are the grey lines running behind the columns. Then the data series representing all the data in the graph. On the right-hand side, you have the legend. This element explains the colours used in the chart. At the bottom of the chart is the data table. This element is optional and not automatically included in every chart type. The final element in this chart are the axis titles. Axis titles are typically available for all axes that can be displayed in a chart. Remember, elements will differ depending on the type of chart you have selected. If you want to change chart elements or the design of your chart, you can easily modify these in Excel. Click on your chart. The Chart Design Contextual tab becomes available. You can now change the design of your chart. In the Chart Layouts group, you can add or remove chart elements and change your chart's layout. You can also change colors and apply various chart styles. In the Data group, you can change the chart's dataset range and switch row and column data. If you want to change the chart type, select Change Chart Type in the Type group. And finally, if you want to move charts between worksheets in the current workbook, select Move Chart in the Location group. Now you can change the look of your chart by formatting it. Click on your chart to select it and then click on the Format Contextual tab. In the Format Contextual tab, you find the current selection control options. This allows you to select individual chart elements. Here you can access Format Selection. You can see that the dialog box opens on the right-hand side. When using complex charts, this is a good way to select items in a chart. Now select the Shape Styles option. Here you can change the shapes using the commands in the Shape Styles group. You can also modify the color, outline, and effects of the chart. If you want to change and format your chart's text, go to the Word Art Styles group and select an option. You can also change the order and orientation of the chart elements in the Arrange group. Finally, you can use the Size group to view and change the overall size of the chart that you have selected. As you've seen, there are a large number of choices on the contextual ribbons that allow you to change the look of your chart. But what if you don't have time and you simply need a quick way to make the chart look better and to stand out more? That is where chart styles are useful. They allow you to make your chart pop with only a couple of clicks. Let's see how this works. Select your chart on the Excel worksheet. Click the Chart Design Contextual tab. In the Chart Styles group, there is a gallery of different chart styles that you can choose from. Move your cursor over these chart styles and you will see a preview of how these styles look once they are applied to your chart. Click on any one of these options to change your chart style. Click on your chart again to select it. Now at the top right of the chart is the paintbrush icon. This is the Chart Styles button. Click this button to view the scrolling menu. It is the same menu of chart styles that you previewed earlier. You are now able to change the style of your chart very quickly and easily. You can also add or remove elements in a chart. To add a chart element, click the Add Chart Element command on the Design tab. Select the element you want from the drop-down menu. You can choose from chart titles, data labels, legends, and many more. If you want to access the chart elements quickly, click on the Chart Elements button in the top right-hand corner of your chart. You'll see the Chart Elements submenu. Select any one of the elements to modify your chart.